Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning Hindi consonants ya, r, l and w. How to write ya? Begin with a small curve and bend it upwards to make another curve as shown here. Connected to that, draw a standing line and finally draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter Y. Yak. Yantra, machine. How to write R? Start drawing a hook and pull a tail downwards. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter R. Rassi, rope. Rubber, eraser. Railgadi, train. Ras, juice. How to write L? Draw one full loop and connected to that one half loop. Then draw a standing line touching it. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter L. Lahar, wave. Lakdi, log. Ladka, boy. Ladki, girl. How to write V? Draw a small circle and a straight line next to it. Then finally draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with V. Varsha, rain. Van, forest. Vak, crane. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications.